Alright guys, so we waited a little. It was pretty hot out. We waited until it cooled down a little bit, and we got a little speed up right here. We're gonna be testing the speed on this boy again. I know I already did one, but it's been a month, so maybe the bike got faster, maybe it got slower. I don't know. Also, one thing I gotta say, this thing is loose, and I'm gonna be fixing that. See if we can activate the little sensor. Frick. There we go. We're gonna start all the way in the corner though. All the way over here. And I don't want anyone to get mad. Alright. We'll start right here. Yeah, this is max. Alright, so the highest we got on that was 48. Which was the same as last time. The one earlier, I think, or that might have been, it was 48 or 45 on the old one. This is a little bit downhill. Alright, top speed, it was about 51 on that for the downhill. So yeah, there you have it guys. 48 on the way up there and 51 on the way down. So give or take, top speed's like around 50. So yeah, there you have it guys. Top speed on this boy is about I'd say in the range between kind of 45, 50, because I don't know how accurate this GPS is, so I'd say 45 and 50 is what we're looking at. Wow, it's kind of cool in here. It's actually growing grass. I can't believe that. So yeah, thanks for watching, boys, and see you in the next